Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Ukelu Kumalo, guys. Ukelu Kumalo, I'm gonna get arrested. Who's this Kanyimba? Guys, ngangibophi Kanyimba. Okay, fine. Bonke bayableach as well. Ngingesazi ukuthi bani. So guys, Kanyimba, this was Kanyimba. Kanyimba ngathi labo mama bashile. Yabona labo mama bashile laba baphuza imbamba. Ngathi yibo. Asikho kusho kanje mara guys. Okay, so yeah, Paul girl. Nakhumbula she went under surgery same time against BBL, and ubuso bakhe was like botched, like busudonseke kakhulu. So girl recently posted a contact on Instagram. I don't think on Twitter, but I think it's Instagram. A post with like buso bakhe writing and the changes with bobusona, bobuso, and she's beautiful, ne? But I want you guys to notice something. This is so funny. You should notice something about Ukanyibao, like the nose. Like say Pamela V. You see he knows who's this guy? Michael Jackson. Yeah. Like he knows like goes like Michael Jackson. And this guy no support guys abafana basithandwa. I'm playing, but then this guy why I support Kanye afuna ukutshintsha ubuso bakhe. I know he has money and stuff, but then bayazumthanda the way angakhona. Cause I don't think uthole uKhanye that botched. uKhanye tried to change for this guy. Mara dala wayiqala lento lena bomshoza. But at least like sekatshintshile nje sekavalwa yi-makeup. Otherwise her skin color, the cheekbones. Nah, zenzi zona guys. Let us not lie. Let us not lie. Azenzi zona, and she's living the life. Ayena shempila impilo emnandi, but to undergo such surgeries and then you turn out not nice. Okay, this was too nice, but she's not that nice because Mpumulo naibon phakame kanjani. Phakeme like yenzo V. So angazi guys. And I think she started all of this. Ufuna ukuba young because Loputu young naye. Maybe Loputu once cheated with younger girls than her. Maybe we won't know, or maybe uhlala ngena ku-Instagram abheka younger girls than her abahle ukudlula yena, and now she has to go and change her face. And did you see the pain she went through? Like she went through hell. Bebamthunga. I think bachacha scalp guys ne. And then mabaqeda ukuchacha scalp. Hayi nginamanga nami. Hayi nginamanga. But I think bachacha khona la enhloko la. And then that's why she has to always wear a weave. You'll never see Ukanyimba agundile. If Namanga come here 2 years after or 2 years later, ungitshela ukuthi Ukanyimba agundile, or months later, ungitshela ukuthi Ukanyimba agundile. She'll never cut her hair or keep a weave. She'll always have a weave enhloko yakhe because it's no longer the same. Mara wenze kahle wachinja guys. This was not it. This was not it. Thank you for watching guys.